Good morning. Today we have a student inquiry on how to solve an inequation type of question. This is from Ashley from the Bay of Plenty. The question is, how do you solve 3x greater than 8x minus 1 over 2? So this type of question is very common in NCA level 1 as well as NCA level 2. To do that, we treat the inequation as though it is the equal sign. We solve as though it's the equal sign. The only time we change the symbol is when we divide or multiply by a negative number. So for example, if we are confidently say that 2 is greater than 1. If we multiply by negative 1, 2 becomes negative 2 and 1 becomes negative 1. So in this case, negative 1 is now greater than negative 2, and that's why we have to change from greater than to less than. Similarly, if we have 8 is greater than 4, that's obvious. If we divide by negative 2, that answer is going to be negative 4. 8 divided by negative is negative 4, and 4 divided by negative 2 is going to be negative 2. Now, negative 2 is greater than negative 4. That's why when we divide or multiply by a negative number, we have to change the symbol from greater to less than. Okay, great. So now if we know that principle, we can solve this problem. So we treat as though it is the equal sign. So the first thing we do, we're going to multiply by 2 on both sides. When we multiply on the left hand side, it becomes 6x is greater than 8x minus 1 because 2 and 2 are cancelled out, and that is how you solve it. Now the next step, we are going to get rid of the x here. So what we do, we're going to minus 8x on both sides. When we minus 8x, 6x minus 8x is going to be minus 2x is greater than negative 1 because 8x minus 8x is going to cancel out. Last but not least, we're going to divide by a negative 2. To divide by negative 2, to get rid of this negative 2, it becomes x. We don't put the sign first. It's going to be minus 1 divided by negative 2 is going to be half. Because you divide by a negative number, you have to change the greater than to less than, and that is how you solve this equation. So hopefully you learn how to solve in equation, because this will be in your NCA level 1 and level 2 papers. Cheers everyone and have a good day.